people, morning, Jamaica, good life. You know, say where I teach the people them. This is the teaching journey now. I'm gonna learn everything I know. Now I'm gonna burn. And now it's my turn. Yeah, the world been waiting. 50 years they've been waiting to shake up this motherland. You see me? From Europe, Netherlands to Jamaica now. Rise, we're going to rise enough people. Alright, I'm there on the seaside. The A side, not the B side. Come next year, I'm going to the teachings where God send me for going to cause on a balance. So God send me for going to the balance. The changes. I'm making on a life. Because now, this is what this is about. See the real liberty. Tall man, tall P. I think call you tall P. Why them call you tall P? You see this man in Jamaica people, see him there? Are the real ancient wizard. So I take this thing for no lean thing, lizard, or the wizard. When I get to see the wizard that cook the real Jamaican food. Look on him too. I'm authentic, look at you authentic man. When you come to Jamaica, I don't want it raw and touch, just like how God make it so much. Now you saw? Yeah. Wizard. See the man there with him pier over there, so. See the food I cook and him aki, him go fishing. He no get realer than this. See it there? This Jamaica is Jamaica good life. You see when we wake up in the morning, either me over there so, a crude oil, and me there Indian over there so I get some fish, tea. But you see when I want the real shark. You see, when you come to a film stove, if you come from far, you don't have to spend money at film stove. It's the only man you don't have to buy a drink for, you have to spend no money. And he always give you a gift. Every time I come, run where you need. And he never ask me for $1. This is the only man who never ask me for $1, the wizard. So when you come, you better run to the lizard them. Go to the wizard. You see? No, there's no lizard around here, so. See the wizard? I'm honest, I'm pure. What size shoes you wear, wizard? I look like 13, you know. Yeah? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get 13 for him, cause that no look normal. Get a big shoes for him, slippers. When you come to the wizard, don't come with money. Come with gifts. You see me a shirt and a pants and a diving snorkel. And get the man, they thank them and get the man them everything he need. People, Jamaican man, I want to listen to me I say now. So what happened now is the wizard now I go take you out to the sea. Me give you in for him hands. When you come look for him. And then him I go, if you have the shark, if you have the stingray, you know see him. All of them I watch the whole of them now. And overall, I see the wizard, I say, And the wizard the other day say, Ran, where you say you want shark fin? I say, yeah, you know. And in my freezer now, and the wizard no charge me feet. So Ran, say a fish here. Kindness and love where I look for in Jamaica. So see it here, booking a flight early and come look for him. The whole team, it's a crude oil. He might liberate the people mentally. And what him name now? Indian. I make the real fish soup and the real nuclear, what them call nuclear dumpling? Nuclear flitters. So Indian have the nuclear flitters. And then the wizard, him now. Him have the, and then you have Captain Jack over there, so. And in case the shark, where the wizard put on the grill. So I'm telling you, Jamaica good life. It's not a cool life. This life right here are the greatest life in Jamaica. Period. Full stop, right? If you them jealous because them always see me and live so wizard. Me say the people them jealous. They say when they see me, they know if see me. When pot on fire, I go take it higher. Me say they jealous around they become me and live Jamaica good life. Eh? Look. Oh no. We don't even have 2 pot pan stove yet. We don't not even ever have 1 pot and I see Mark there now. Blessed love.
Listen now.
But what I gonna do with Mark, I gonna change how much him drink, Wizard. More you watch him for me, yeah? Cause Mark or Rasta him drink too much, Wizard. Take your time.
Change how we drink. It's a different pattern of drinking, you know. It's a different pattern of drinking.
And when Mark go out, Wizard, him not say make him bring run a Guinness. You see, break it, Mark. Break it. You have more money in your pocket? Do you have more money in your pocket? Okay. That's the question in Brooklyn will ask. Break it for me, please. You see what I say, Wizard? Anna, he not reach Africa yet, that's why him not move like say I'm a Jamaican. He's not moving like an African. Yeah. So go and buy yourself another drink. Alright? So you see that Wizard, he was change and balance. See that people? He just learn change and balance in a real time. Alright. We record. Good, see there. Wizard. Okay. So people may give an option, see there? You know, so from the day I come down here, I know so I will rate you. You remember the first time we started, you know?
Yeah, I remember.
You remember? And what you did do? You're the first one to buy a drink for me. And then we start the movements.
Yeah, we start the ball.
So, you listen, and you know it's a change a come. See the people? I saw you do it. One pot pan, but hey, you never see this yet, you know? People, you have to come smell the smoke. See it, see it, people. Put the, when you're not sick, nitrogen. Guinness. So in Jamaica, when you're not sick, get like a nitrogen on the face.
Tired rice.
Tired rice. In here, look at the smoke on the wood fire, and that will give you a little vibe. So this is Jamaica good life. I pay back a lot. Are you Kaleki? Jano.
Now one more bag did that so. I will buy some crate of no year liquor them I will buy no year.
So every time you see them drink, you just put it in.
No, I have to own a drink.
Eh? So how much you drink in a 1 week?
Not that right. Yesterday my virgin them drink around 6 and I drink around 2. This man take up the back to them and put in.
So when them come check you, them take care of you.
I have to take care of it.
You have to move up, you know. How much a crocus bag cost? What the cost of the bag?
Yeah. This around 3 crate or 4.
But how much? What's the cost of the green bag?
Oh, green bag them.
Mm-hmm.
You know, sir, we just pull up here and just back it out them in a crate. We don't carry the selling right now, guys. We just crate them up.
I just want to know how much a bag like that costs. $100?
No, what, when I bag them?
Yeah.
Around $100 when I bag them.
And what them buy? The market?
Yeah.
I'm going to buy a whole heap of them, you know. Yeah, so let me ask you something. You do farming too?
You know, so what day I catch Charles from weed up from my yard, I went through I go up there yesterday, most of them mash up. Right now, I want to go for the idea. I want to go to the idea for my birthday. I want to make some food and see.
Alright people, this is the fishing park, the seaside. And this is the co-op Fisherman. You can search for the fire station or Charles Darwin Market. It's near there. The Fisherman co-op. Now I'll get the real name because what do you call it?
Dragon Gym.
Dragon Gym. The Dragon Gym. It was right here. Alright, search for the Dragon Gym. And I want you guys to come look for this man. See there? Can you pop the top a little to show them what you're gonna cook for them? Okay, there's banana and ake. People may I tell us, you know, they always watch the show to see what's the authentic. Open the pot there for me, Wizard. Show them. You're the you're the real tourists. Oh, you're the Wizard. Stop it. Stop. Open it. So this is natural fried fish. Yes, my brother. So people, you see what you'll have for breakfast. Tourists are gonna come from all over the world to see you, Wizard. No, they will look for you. Okay, Wizard? They will look for you. Let me show them your boat, because a lot of backpackers and people, they want to come visit the Wizard. Okay, so if you come to Jamaica, come to visit Crude Oil, Captain Jack, and the Riverside, and tell them Jamaica Good Life send you. You have to use the keyword all equal change and balance. They are all disciples of all equal change and balance. So once you say to them all equal change and balance, boom, you'll get the love you deserve. Nobody can touch you, because this over here is the Good Army. This is the headquarters for the Good Army. All right, so just say all equal change and balance, and nobody can touch you in Montego Bay. Okay. Okay, that's the boat you're gonna go on. If you want to go out for a week, you pay for the gas, $3,000 for your trip, and you go out in the boat with the Wizard, and you get your day pass. It has to be probably a Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right? And you go out, right? Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you get your day pass, or you get your fishing license when you stay in Jamaica for a long time for $6,000, which you need a justice of the peace to sign 2 pictures, and that's it. And you get your 2 passport picture. You can go to Fontana and take the pictures, and you come down. They say the Dragon Gym is what you Google. Come down here and you look for the Wizard. So feel your energy. And there's Crude Oil, the Wizard, and Iron. So right here is where you're going to get your authentic food. You can buy the fish. Ask for Biggs. Tell them Jamaica Good Life. Biggs. Ask for Biggs. And if people keep asking for drinks, say to them, look, I'll bring you some food. I don't buy people drinks. Okay, you bring them food from the market. Don't come down anywhere and buy people drink. Don't do that in Jamaica. You have to change how they think. Say, no, I can't buy you drink. I could bring you some food next time to show you love. That's it. Change. Don't give them no drink. So, and when you come down, bring your rake and clean up too, because they do clean up, but the sea brings it back in. And you want to bring drums and stuff. This is your community. This is going to be your home in Jamaica. It's going to be your spot where you're going to get your fish fresh. It's $1,000 per pound straight from the sea, and if you don't catch the boat in, it's going to be $1,200. But I'm putting in your hands of good people, a Jamaica Good Life. You see. So I know say Wizard I go pop me off some of the food. Wizard, stir up the ackee so I'm not get touched. Put a stick on it. Yeah, just put a stick in it and stir it up. What happened? You good?
Yeah, good.
Let's walk over Indian. I'll be back. We're walking over Indian, you know. We're gonna go see what Indian has cooking.
Yeah. Lobster, man.
I am
Fish,
Biggs.
Man.
When I come, ask for Biggs.
Right down under the tree.
Under the tree, alright?
And in our Fisherman.
Google the Dragon Gym and then we reach it.
Yeah.
Fisherman Bay. See there? A Biggs you know must buy the lobster them from. Let's tell them Jamaica Good Life send you. Give them an extra fish for me. See there people? I saw Biggs deal with it. A Biggs will buy my fish from if you don't buy it live. Alright? So I saw it go. He's always here with him.
Yeah, some part of a chef also at times, you know.
But I promote everybody so everybody get an equal share. You see me? And this is Jamaica Good Life, so be aware. Say anything positive, wipe your mouth side please. Thank you.
Yes.
Very much so.
Yes, sir, you know I'm always on the positive side. I love on the positive side. Well, to be truth and frank,
from around the come here, it's like a change and balance. You know, switch me on a positive side and ways, you know.
It's
Me
been
even fault and step off and him come put me back in north, you know, some ways. But I'm give thanks for that.
yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. We not leave you out, you know. Mercy and forgiveness, you know.
Yeah, send you know, cause just like boy.
Yeah. Yeah man.
Him have some, you know, I'm gonna really get to that peak of what he have want me to do, but to really me feel with your guidance. And
Yeah, yeah, me not leave you. And you what? Remember I said the
it will
all.
reveal.
Remember I said the all. But can tell you right now what the all what you have to do. Change and balance. You see? You see?
No, well, him have some work differently.
Well, when you start changing and balancing,
just time
the
out.
work will just fall in place.
Okay.
There's no full stop, you know. It's a journey and not a lot of signs. But if you not change and balance on the road of the journey, or you go find the right signs, because if you don't change and balance, you go tired on the journey. You go crash. You go argue with the car them along the journey. You go miss the direction. But you see, if you change and balancing and you keep it calm and warm and nice, when you reach at the destination, you say, but wait, I just saw Jah want me to go. The mountain look beautiful. I just saw. It will reveal itself to you. Remember, I say there's no road map to the journey.
True, true. And for fans again, we're going back to the cooking
Ooh,
because it looks so colorful.
because the wizard.
Yes, sir, the wizard. Yeah, man. See how colorful it is?
Yes, yes. And Mark and the
All on
wizard
the
will
beach,
take care of you
man, all
guys.
on the beach.
This is
Not
Jamaica good life, not a
Good life,
pub life.
best
Look at it,
life.
look there. Wow, wizard. You definitely did it for Jamaica today, bro. And that's a big spliff in your mouth, wizard. That's a pretty big spliff.
That's naturally Jamaican.
That's Jamaica good life.
Okay.
Hey, give them your number so they could reach you directly.
Okay, my number 848-4265.
848-4265.
876 before that. Okay.
So if you want the authentic Jamaica, you call Mark, because wherever Mark is, the wizard is, right?
Exactly.
Right, wizard?
We cook together, fish together.
Okay, okay.
That's it.
All right, all right. I'm loving the vibe here. What day is today, sir? What day is today?
Okay, they say it's a Boxing Day.
Boxing Day.
Yes,
What does that
Boxing
mean,
Day.
Boxing Day?
Well, it's a Babylon thing, you know. I'm not too really
Okay.
understand them Boxing
Wizard,
Day.
do you know what Boxing Day means? Okay, so
We're
if
going
you
to ring and show
search
some-
for Dragon Gym, you'll be
Yes,
here.
Boxing.
And you'll come here if you Google Dragon Gym or the co-op for the Fisherman. Let me tell you something, people. I'm loving this vibe. I'm loving this energy. The place is clean. Hey, here's what I want you to do. Ignore everything that's happening around you. Whatever is happening, keep it in the circle around you. You hear what I'm saying? Just ignore. Because let me tell you something. If I wasn't ignoring Putin and the war, I'll be disturbed right now. But I'm on the beach in Jamaica. Am I disturbed with what's happening over there? Is it cold over there? Is it warm here?
Very warm, you know.
Lizard, if I got up this morning, wizard, sorry, I didn't call him a
Very
lizard.
warm.
If I call him man a wizard, he's a wizard. No, this morning, wizard, do I care that New York is 9 degrees? Do I care about that? So wherever I am, I have to be. So I'm being with my brethren them
Naturally.
in peace and tranquility. Is the war gonna disturb me?
No.
So I'm teaching you today the law of ignore. And that's when you see the man them around you war with, if you get up every day. When I see wizard walking him, sometimes he just walk straight and him just go about him. He might try for the law of ignore. It's not everybody's gonna be together, you know. But with agenda unity, when your head on my head, it can link it together. You see? So people, no, there's no place else in Jamaica that is so real, so good. I see the fish, see the ackee there, I wait for the fish them. Remember I said the man them catch the fish, you know, and the man them fry the fish, you know, and the man them share the fish, you know, so.
Very tasty, naturally.
So me rate this headquarters in Mobile as the this whole thing, the most authentic place in the world for tourists and everybody.
Everybody.
This
Everyone.
for the all. So, if you look, see it. There's no other authentic place in Jamaica, seem there.
Naturally, you know.
I'm gonna go check Mark, Crude Oil, The Wizard, and Iron. I'm a friend them. You see, what them say, I'm send them because I'm a friend them. So, people, that's how we live in a mobile. How much degrees right now up? So them say 9 degrees.
Oh, freezing. You know, we can't really take the cold, you know. When we take the warm, we can turn on the fan and get the cool. When the cold, well, we don't know if we react back, but yes, never.
We're there with the boss right now. He's selling no alligator, he's selling a cow.
No crocodile.
You don't eat no cow, do you? Do you eat cow? You eat cow?
No crocodile.
No, straight.
That one, cow.
No cow.
Fish, you know.
Straight.
Squid, conch,
Shark.
sea cat,
Sea cat.
shark.
How often you guys, so when they have your number, they could call you when the sea cat come in, you could call them back?
Well, not when the sea cat come in, it's when we catch a sea cat.
The sea cat.
Very tricky fella.
Is there a secret sea
You
is,
catch him regular.
is there a sea rat? Because where there's a cat,
Well,
there must be rats.
Well, I don't know that I know of. None that I know of in sea. It's the only animal what on the land when I don't see rat.
Okay.
Sea rat, yeah, sea rat.
What you say, Wizard? There's a sea rat?
No, I not see rat, but then skill.
Them skill.
Yeah, they're going on water, they swim on.
Swim and dive. The fish
The rat
can
them swim and dive. Out there too?
I can't find
Rat.
Run out of water.
Swim. Walk up on the rope, go inside the boat, eat a bait. Whenever they come in, just chuck off. And him, and he can hold him breath long too. Can now come up till the
Him eat your bait, so if you don't have it in a glass jar, you're done.
Anybody have it, just cut it.
He cut it. So Wizard, you've learned to avoid the rat?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a man that cook a nice pot. Jamaica good life for the best, you know, because every time me film and live, the way them have a follow back on me, you know.
But it's
Because
the way
it's
to live.
the authentic thing me look for. Huh?
Natural.
Man, I do food show and this and that. No. I'm no sea cat. The boy them have to eat sea rat. Yo, they're not on the sea cat. The boy them have to eat sea rat. You see me? Sea rat I eat it. When I eat rat, brother. I strictly, swim around in Montego Bay where I stay. Boom, 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 360 degrees all day. Sit there.
On
Stop
the river
playing,
bay.
son.
Fishing bay.
Hey,
Yeah.
stop playing with it, people. You got Mark's number. Say the number again slowly, bro.
848.
Slowly.
848-4265.
Oh, people,
Yeah,
bring your kids and everything, and Mark will take you to the market.
Yes, man. Purchase
He
your
will take
stuff.
you to the market
Whatever you want,
to
you
get
want.
what you need.
I can even come
Boom.
and prepare it for
And
you
then
and
Mark,
you
you know
have
what?
a
You know what you should tell them? Go to Mega Bart and buy 3 chairs so they can leave the chairs with you so you have more guests.
Well,
You know, because
you can leave it here whenever time you're visiting back.
Exactly.
You got your seat here.
yes, it's a
Your
great
seat
gift.
is already here.
Yes, it's a family.
You know, you got your seat here
Yes.
already.
Bring-
We are going back to Jamaica, the River Bay Fishing Beach.
yes,
You can
yes.
check my-
Tell him to
we
tell-
already got
yes.
our seat here.
Mm-hmm.
You can come.
Tell him, look,
Yeah, man.
have the
Yeah,
driver
man.
go
Yeah,
to
man.
Mega Mart, get 3 chairs for the whole family so they have their chair. When they leave it, they leave with you.
Well,
So other people could come and join the fun.
well, and the same one can come back and enjoy their chairs.
Oh.
when the other people come, they can buy future for their families also.
People.
Guess what? We name our chairs.
Okay.
Yes, family chairs.
Family chair.
You come, you buy your chair for
Yeah.
your family, it's your chair. Whatever time you're coming back with your family, your chairs are here.
We want hundreds of chairs. We
Change
want
them.
everybody to say cheers. Happiness.
At once.
Cheers.
Right down here in
You see,
River
right?
Bay Fishing
We're
Beach.
gonna call this place Cheers. Friendship. Trying to tell you, man.
Friendship, yeah, man.
Friendship.
Yeah.
You like that? You
Yeah,
like what?
man.
Cheers. Friendship.
Yeah, man.
So people can start bringing chairs
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
friendship.
for-
Ah,
yes.
this is Jamaica good life, not a cub life. Still looking for the good wife. Bam! Babylon, watch where you step on, Randy's a weapon.
That's a shrimp.
Cheers
Another
for
one.
the friendship. Hey!
Here where we eat, man.
Cheers, people.
Fish, shrimp, everything. We can remix our
Ow! Stop it! Them have to put them here in the hands
That's
on the
so we
ear
get-
and clap
so we
it.
get our authentic taste.
Wizard, you have to stop it. The way you're cooking, you have to stop it.
Naturally, Rasta
Put in, them have to put them hands in the ear and clap it. Wizard, you have to stop it.
So cook run, man.
Yeah, that's how you go on. Brother, you have to stop it. With the ackee and fish and the babbit. Wizard, you have to stop it, brother. You can't lock them out, so. But them have a cooking show. But them have an authentic Jamaica. Them have a go bush, go do cooking show. And my friend them, we say cheers, friends. You see
Yeah,
me?
man, right on the beat.
Yeah? You have to stop it.
Right on the beat.
The way you are cook, stop it. The people them are, they will say, yo, you must shake it. But them have cooking show on YouTube. Them are fake it. Run on Jamaica good life,
Yes,
make
and
it.
it's- Just the wood give you the taste.
See
of
the
it.
people? This is not like a boy on a boat side, a force, a cooking show. This is not a force thing. You see me? This is liberty, that's a real life. I just the man them sleep. A real life.
Yeah, man, we just, that's our bed.
A real life
Our
people.
seeds. We convert, you know. We just change. Change and
Me
balance.
say me never see more authentic living in Jamaica because you're so asleep.
Just like the
Oh no, now
Apaches.
fake it. Looks like the
The
Indians
Indians, you know.
and the ancient Africans. Stop it!
And the African, no, and the African, that's just
Wow!
the Indians, yeah.
Wow! The pear the ripe? The pear ripe what me bring? No? You know ripe yet? That's alright. Courtney, do me a favor. Looking at the back of the car through the cook bag and everything. Open it with this, looking at the back, and see if you see no ripe pear. Check all the pear, then bring a ripe one. So people can bring on their own food, you know. I'm bringing a chair, you know. I'm putting the name on it with a magic marker. Cheers, friends. So this is why I love the Jamaica good life, because I like to meet people who can really make you happy. Cause yo, brother, if me not live for joy and happiness, what I live for? Me can't, brother. If me come Jamaica, me can't hold a vibe there with wood fire. And real people. Why do it? So when the peer come, you're going to share out a big plate for them and give it to me. And they're going to come to the sea. Hi, I feel good today. I never know, so I cook this morning, you know.
I fried fish them last night, come now and now come fish them. I just fried them last night.
Yes. Yes. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. Yeah. So we're waiting for the pier to come and the shearings to happen. People, see it there? This is from the wizard to you. This is a gift for the whole Jamaica. See him there? I'm going to a gift. And he's going to give me half of the pier in there. Yeah, man. See it there, people? Thank you, wizard. This is Jamaica good life. This is how we do it in Jamaica. And this is it. All right, I hope you're having a nice day. Take care of yourself. I'm gonna eat this right now.